This is the Tank T1 Rugged Outdoor Smart Fitness Watch. It's 5 ATM waterproof. It is really rugged built. It's got lots of different controls here. You got brightness and settings, do not disturb, whatever you want. You pull this little side tab out, you can check your temperature, date, time, and the access to the most frequently used apps. Here's information, which was one of those I just touched as well. In addition, you come up here and you'll get notifications sent to you from your phone when you've tethered this and paired it to your phone. As far as the different cards, you can set them up any order you want. You can have your step count information for the day. You can do heart rate, which will turn on the diodes and instantly calculate your current heart rate. By the way, it does 24/7 continuous heart rate measurement for you that it's tracking in the app when you tether it and transfer the data over. You have last night's sleep time information. You got a weather forecast. Sure, you can set it up Fahrenheit, centigrade, whatever you'd like. You've got your different activities, walking, running, climbing, and a whole bunch more. There's no direct GPS in this, but you can tie the watch to GPS in your phone and through the app, and you can get your track that way. You can even add more screens if you want to as well. When you tap the bottom button, you get into your app drawer. You've got all kinds of stuff. There's the step count and workouts again. You even have your workout records that'll show you the data of what you accumulated on your watch. Don't need to have your phone with you either for that. It'll just track it for you directly right there. Heart rate, sleep time. You also can do blood pressure, and it does 24/7 continuous blood pressure measurement. You got blood oxygen capability, notifications and weather again. It'll track female function information, music player that'll remotely play music in your phone, breath tracking, up counting, down counting, timers, calculators. It's all here. It's a really nice, rugged sports fitness watch. This is the band. It's the camo band, but it comes with a black one too. You can order it with different bands, and you can order it in different styles. This is the silver bezel. It's got a gunmetal bezel as well. All in all, it's a lightweight, really well built, 5 ATM waterproof, excellent watch. It's the Kospet Tank T1. Check it out.